Hi, I'm Gary at Broadlane. The postcode here for your sat nav is B495QD and the contact number is 01789763432. Please like and subscribe to our videos, and also please leave any comments. We'll really endeavour to respond or reply. We've got 5 special edition Fairway X models. We've got 2 berths, compact, end bathroom, and then we've got a small fixed bed, and then we've got 2 standard fixed bed derivatives, one with the washroom at the back, one with the washroom in the middle. Right, I'm just going to show you around this 460 model. A couple of things then to know. You've got this carbon effect gas locker lid. It does come with ATC, and also just to let you know, you can stand on the front to clean the windows. It's a GRP exterior shell, so it's super strong. Barbecue point for outdoor cooking, access to the space under the front seats, and it's even got a useful practical power point. Window in the door, alloy wheels. Let me show you around the interior. So for a 2 berth, it's a big space. Lots of locker storage, panoramic window, opening roof light window. It's a super bright interior. They've done away with the curtains on the side windows now, so you've got the wall fabric pads, and it just helps create that nice big spacious open plan configuration. 4 scatter cushions, so very comfortable interior. Wood effect flooring, it's easy, practical to keep clean, and it's got the tailored loose lay carpet mat set. Latest flatbed microwave, kitchen extension, easy to use fridge freezer, blinds in the cassette system, night screens and fly screens, cooker unit featuring grill, oven, hob, washroom across the back. You've got loo, double doors to the wardrobing, good sized wash basin, very practical large mirror, and easy access bifold door. This particular model features the blow heat system. It's got gas electric hot water, it's got an alarm, it's got a solar panel. We offer great part exchange, finance subject to status, and on that note, we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks very much.